Hi. You're probably wondering how I got into this situation. I've had these mini braids for a whole month and it was time to take them down. And I decided it was a great idea to take down my mini braids, wash my whole hair, and get mini twists installed all within 24 hours. I am that insane. Can't believe it's 1 p.m. and I'm still not done. And the sad part about all of this is that I still have to wash my hair. Who texted? Oh, that's my dad. I still have to wash my hair. I have not detangled my hair. I'm still going to blow dry this hair. This is why I'm not even going to bother with the parts. I'm just going to go wee. So this is my hair out of those protective twists. Okay. It's at least an inch away from my collarbone. Yeah. So I'm going to start the detangling process. But before then, I want to draw for some minutes and have a little snack. Yeah, eat healthy, guys. Colon cancer is on the rise. Get your fiber up. So, done. Yeah. The next step. Oh crap, I forgot to boil water. I need to go and do that now. So this is how much hair I shed. I don't know how to show it. This isn't bad for. This is like how much I've shed in a month. It's not bad. So, before we get into that, lunch break. I know if you keep myself. Done. Time to begin the gruesome process.
A few moments later.
When my hair was short, I was having the time of my life. Right now, not so much. Are we going to make it today? You never know. I feel like cutting my hair again. So I've blow dried all these things that are twisted up. I've blow dried my hair. It's just left with this front, which wouldn't take up to 30 minutes, but I honestly need a break. I usually don't use a whole day to do my whole hair, but I'm honestly tired of using 2 days. I use one day to do wash day, then the other day to do the stretching. I don't have patience. I want to get everything over with today. So lucky me, it's twists I'm doing, so I'm quite disappointed because the deep conditioner did not do what I expected it to do. And doing your hair when you have PMDD, I would not recommend. It's better than going back to the salon right now and they will cut 2 inches off my hair. So I want to pause, have a drink, and draw. I have not drawn. That other time I didn't draw. I was watching TikTok. I need to draw. So I'm done. I am going to start with the back. Wherever I stop by 11:30 this night, I'll continue tomorrow morning. I have somewhere to be, but I can't keep myself. So I actually used this. I plan to film the process, but as you see me right now, I feel like punching the wall. So maybe next time. I prefer this to the usual. That's the first one I got actually, and yeah. So I'll start with the back. I'm done with the back, one line of the back, and there's hope for me. I'm going to be pausing in between to draw because that's the only way to de-stress myself at this point. Oh. They're not bad. I don't even know what's the time. 7:04. This is 7:20. I'm almost behind my ears. If not, I'm already behind my ears. So yeah. What's the time, guys? What's the time? Oh, it's not 8 yet. We are getting there. I've gone a long way, but I've been watching YouTube and drawing in between. If I wasn't doing any of that, I'll have probably been here. But I can't come and kill myself. I actually like how it's turning out. I just hope it lasts because I intend on carrying them till the end of my internship. Okay, till the end of August, not till the end of my internship. That's not possible. But yeah, let's see how it goes. I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep. I'll continue tomorrow. If I locked in, I'll have finished this hair. Okay, no, I wouldn't. It's just remain maybe this part. Yeah. But I can't kill myself. It's my hair. It's me. I'm the hairdresser. So, but so far, I like it. But at the same time, I thought it would be a bit longer since I stretched my hair. So it wouldn't mimic my mini braids that I just took out. But anyways, not so bad. I'll continue tomorrow morning. Make I go sleep. So I started quite late. I started like 9:40 something. Yeah. And it's currently 11:10. I'm going to eat. I'm almost done. But I need to eat. So I'm done eating. Yeah, I want to have my bath. Then I think my period has started. I don't know because
This is how I look after bathing. How do you look? Challenge? Let's go. Okay now.
my sunscreen doesn't want to blend for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm quite late to where I want to be. I have this left. I was right, my period has started. So that also ate into my time. If you know, you know. It's gone. White car's gone. This is why I love this sunscreen. So I'm about to finish here. Yay. Oh, these cramps. Freedom! So, me and my friend cancelled where we planned to go, and it's raining. Okay, it has stopped raining actually. I would not recommend doing everything in one day. I used to do it when my hair was shorter. I think I forgot that my hair isn't short anymore. I mean, my twists have never looked like this. Ever. So, lesson learned. Would I pay for convenience if the person is skilled? Obviously, because I don't know anyone that will handle my hair well and not cut my hair. Even my mom, that was dragging with me not to go natural, handles my hair way better than experienced hairdressers. So it's just a hatred thing at this point, honestly. I wish this could be detailed and stuff, but I'm bleeding right now. It's so weird. So, see you next time.